What if I told you that some of the most expensive luxury leather products in the world, bags, jackets, belts worth thousands of dollars, begin their journey in a place you would never expect? A massive industrial factory where raw cow skin is transformed through an intense, highly controlled process into something refined, durable, and incredibly valuable. A place where science meets craftsmanship and where every detail matters, from the moment the raw material is selected to the final polished product that ends up in high-end stores across the globe. And today, we're going to take you inside that world to uncover the complete process behind cow leather production. Welcome back to Process Insight, where we take you inside the world's most advanced factories and reveal how things are really made. A process that is far more complex, precise, and fascinating than it might seem at first glance, because everything begins long before the factory, out on farms where cattle are carefully selected, not randomly, but through strict inspection standards, where experts evaluate the health, age, and most importantly, the skin quality of each animal. Because even the smallest imperfection, tiny scars, uneven texture, or damage can affect the final product's value, which is why only the highest quality hides are approved to move forward. And once selected, the next stage begins with transportation. But this is not ordinary transport. These animals are moved using specialized systems designed to reduce stress and maintain controlled conditions, because stress can actually impact the skin's condition, and maintaining quality at this stage is critical. And as soon as they arrive at the processing facility, everything moves quickly, because freshness plays a key role in preserving the hide's integrity. And now we enter one of the most sensitive and crucial stages of the entire process: hide removal, where a combination of advanced machinery and highly trained workers carefully separate the skin from the body with extreme precision. Because one wrong cut, one small mistake can permanently damage the hide and reduce its usability. So everything here is done with focus, accuracy, and efficiency. And once the hide is removed, it doesn't sit idle for long. It is immediately transferred to a series of high-pressure washing systems, where powerful jets of water and rotating drums work together to remove dirt, blood, and any remaining impurities, ensuring that every inch of the surface is thoroughly cleaned and prepared for the next stage. And after chemical treatment, the hides move into controlled drying environments. But this is not simple drying. It is a highly monitored process where temperature and humidity levels are precisely balanced to ensure that the leather does not crack, shrink, or lose its natural flexibility, because maintaining the right structure at this stage is essential for achieving that premium feel that luxury products are known for. And once dried, the hides are carefully inspected again. And this is where trimming and surface refinement begin. Excess edges are removed, imperfections are minimized, and the material is prepared for further enhancement, followed by sanding processes that smooth out the surface and create a consistent texture, giving the leather a more uniform and refined appearance. And now comes one of the most visually satisfying transformations in the entire process: dyeing, where the raw, neutral-toned leather is placed into large industrial drums filled with carefully formulated dyes. These drums rotate continuously, allowing the color to penetrate deep into the material, ensuring that it is not just a surface-level coating, but a rich, long-lasting color that becomes part of the leather itself. And whether it's deep black, warm brown, or custom luxury shades, everything is controlled to achieve perfection. And once the dyeing process is complete, the leather begins to truly look like something valuable, something closer to the final product we recognize. But there is still more to come.
Because now the material moves into the cutting and crafting phase, where advanced CNC cutting machines use precision technology to slice the leather into exact shapes and patterns required for different products, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. And after this, skilled artisans step in, bringing human craftsmanship into the process, stitching, shaping, and assembling the pieces into recognizable items like bags, belts, jackets, and accessories. This is where technology and human skill work side by side, each playing an essential role in creating something both functional and beautiful. And as the products take form, they move into the finishing stage, where embossing rollers add texture,
Patterns, and sometimes brand signatures onto the surface, giving the leather its distinctive look and identity, followed by polishing systems that enhance the shine, smoothness, and overall appearance, turning the material into something that feels luxurious to the touch and pleasing to the eye. And even at this stage, the process is not yet complete, because every single item must pass through strict quality control checks, where experts carefully examine texture consistency, color accuracy, stitching precision, and overall finish, ensuring that only flawless products move forward. Because in the world of luxury goods, there is no room for error, no tolerance for defects, and anything that does not meet the required standards is either reworked or rejected entirely. And finally, the approved products enter the packaging stage, where they are carefully wrapped and protected to prevent any damage during transportation. And from there, they are shipped out to stores, showrooms, and markets around the world, completing a journey that started from raw cowhide and ended as a premium product, valued for its quality, durability, and craftsmanship. And when you look at a finished leather item now, whether it's a bag, a jacket, or even a simple belt, it's no longer just a product. It's the result of a long, complex, and highly controlled process that combines science, technology, and skilled human effort at every step. And that is what makes it truly valuable. Not just the material itself, but the journey it has gone through to become what it is today. So the next time you see a luxury leather bag, belt, or jacket, remember the incredible process behind it. A perfect blend of advanced technology and skilled craftsmanship. If you enjoy discovering how things are made, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join us for the next episode of Process Insight.